To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. Next, tap on Collections in the bottom tab bar. Then, swipe up to scroll down and locate the section called Utilities. Here, tap on Duplicates. Your iPhone will automatically detect duplicate photos and videos, and groups them together. You can tap a group to review the items, then tap Merge. Then, tap Merge two items to confirm and combine the duplicates. Your iPhone will then keep the highest quality version, and move the duplicate copy to the recently deleted album. These items will be deleted automatically after 30 days, or you can delete them now to free up space immediately. If you don't want to merge duplicates one by one, you can do them all at once. Simply tap Select in the top right corner. Then tap Select All. And finally tap Merge at the bottom of the screen. From the pop-up menu, tap Merge. Your iPhone will then keep the best quality version of each photo or video, and move the duplicate copies to the recently deleted album, helping you save storage space without losing your photos. So that's how you can find and delete duplicate photos on iPhone.